Hello and welcome back. Sorry. I'll start with the usual disclaimer, like always. Nothing is for sale. I ain't selling shit, boy. There's nothing to buy from me. There aren't even ads in the YouTube videos. The only link you'll find is to my Discord, and in my Discord, there's just trading talk. I pre-post trades. A lot of shit talk too, but pre-post all the trades, discuss them, give entries, post my videos. There's no affiliates, absolutely nothing. With that out of the way, try to do it a little bit different today. Let's get to it. Today I have planned a complete SR redrawal, which is what we're going to do. Often I do that off camera, but I've noticed that this has become very much so a trading journal for me. I look through my videos, I make mistakes, I look at the mistakes, and I learn from them. Interesting. We don't need more here right now. There's no point in putting shit down here. Just let me. So look at this range. No, that's alright. It was great this month. It still is. Oh, wrong button. With all the breakouts, great R on trades. Just fantastic. Accidentally passed my monthly max. I was supposed to stop at 10% like always, but this month I accidentally hit 14%. How sad. It isn't good, actually. And if this is the first time you're watching, I do SR areas, not lines, because they're never in an exact area. It's a zone. The thicker I make an SR area, the stronger I make it. I call that SR strength. I just removed my 200 MA. And put them back in. Yeah, and I start at the bottom or top first, and then I do whatever is in between. Newer information is always king. Candle body, stick, and then congestion areas like these. That's the hierarchy. This is not the best area though. Let me add my 200 MA back in. Oh, I don't even remember. Bro. Where am I at? Okay. Fuck you. Motherfuckers. Just to really spell it out. Just give it to me. What the fuck is it? Can I get rid of certain ones? How the fuck does this thing work? You know, I'm not gonna bother wasting time doing it on the video. I'll fix it off camera. That was annoying. Also need that script, if anyone can script. Let's see here. The range is pretty thick, so yeah, we could add some more SR strength there. Also, the 200 MA isn't really necessary. I'm almost a pure price action trader at this point, I would say. Also, don't look too hard for SR areas. If you've been looking too hard for him, it means other people have missed them. Yeah, fuck all this. Oh, what is that? Okay, let's start at the bottom here. This is pure congestion down here. Shit. Not the best area to draw on. Not really an interesting pair to draw on in reality. You know, in all honesty. Because I'm going to have to go so far back, like 23 levels. How much am I going to trust those? And it's over that. It's above that. Yeah, it's way above that. So I'd have to go even higher. I mean, I'll just get it in. Yeah, so 2015 levels. Yeah. Well, we got him in, okay? Not really levels I would trust too much here, but okay. We work with what we got, alright, bro. Newer info is always king when you're SR drawing. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Shalom. Let's see, nah, it reacted so strong here. And then I could put something here, right? Like, yeah. But it has been broken. And then there's, I think the breakout market is gonna continue. This is the all-time low one, right? I just fucked that one. I think this one's fine. I think the breakout market is gonna continue. It's wild. It's really good money though. I've been really enjoying it. I hope those that are in trading as well have been enjoying it, because we haven't had like a fucking red week now. Just 3 green months in a row. I guess this is what people would consider tedious to watch. But what the fuck? Damn. That ain't right. Yeah, this is tedious to watch. Because it's not the normal content people are used to. With the quick money, how I went from being a wagey piece of shit, I was pretty spot on, to making $5,000 a day, that kind of thing. Yeah, not posting that, never will, because I don't have shit to sell. That's actually a pretty decent range. 7 drawings. Wow. And like mentioned earlier, I'm gonna get a new computer. I'm gonna get a laptop. I don't want a gaming computer because I end up wasting so much fucking time, bro. And I don't want to do that. Sitting there fucking gaming like a slob. No. That's fine. That's fine. Eight drawings. These are exceptions. So I keep pressing the wrong button. And I did it again. So these are the exceptions of where I don't do a double bounce. When I see a big long time high hit like this that has a very strong reaction to it, I'll let it slide with a single hit. That's like the exception to the general SR area rule. These are very strong SR areas. Yeah, way too strong. Your win rate will go up, but the pairs you'll be able to find will go down so much, which is fine. I mean, if you want to go like that, that's fine. I did a whole video explaining why SR strength gives you less pairs. It's kind of a trade-off. I mean, it is really simple to illustrate, because if I do this isn't gonna break, right? But you're not gonna get some kind of entry here. Like, what the fuck, are you gonna short this? Yeah, just let me put the sell loss above the SR area. Here we go. Have 0.1 R. Now it's not gonna work, right? So you're gonna have to decide SR strength. I don't know. Hold up. Yeah, it did. Yep. It might still be too strong. Nah, it's all good. Yeah, too much shit here. Learning how to draw really fluently is very important for price action trading. Nope. Also, don't try to draw in a way where it must fit. For example, don't try to draw where you could see potential setups forming, if that makes sense. Don't draw for, that class is current. I'll just keep it like this. This is fine. Don't draw in anticipation is what I mean. Yeah, this is garbage. Start at the bottom or top and then do in betweens. And don't try to look for things too much. Do you see anything here very clearly, quickly? Nah, I don't. Maybe something here, it reacted strongly. Arguably so. Yeah, could do that. Not the best area, but it's something. And especially in this breakout market, it's fine. They keep hitting. I'm not intentionally doing that. The 50 basis point cut really blew shit up. I did not have time to extend on the trade what was the trade I posted? I had traded I posted. Yeah, it was this one, right? Yeah. So USD CAD, and it was not moving well. It was like going to shit. It was this one, right? Yeah. It was not looking good. And then because this fucking market is nuts, it just exploded. Or GBP, yeah. Is this one? Yeah, this pair wasn't moving too nicely here. It's only 12-hour, and then shalom, bro. It exploded. I would have extended that, at least one extension, but no. And I had another one on a breakout. This is a pretty high spread pair. Careful trading this one if you're not watching the spreads. This looks like a bigger area to me. Something like that, yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Oh. Nice. Arguably it could go, but no. Oh, this is the one I had the explosive breakout in. I think I had 2 extensions on that one. So that was a 4% hit. Oh, man. Jesus. Jesus. The fuck am I even gonna draw this one? What the fuck? Damn, bro. And then this is Yeah, we'll just let's see what happens here. Oh, we got something down here though. The older an area is, the less legitimate it is. Keep that in mind though. It's a scam, bro. I'm gonna pre-call this one. This is gonna ATL. I'm just gonna put it there. No, that's fine. As a shipper. Fuck. Oh, yeah, let's go to the bottom first. This is what immediately sticks out. Has there been reactions to it before? Nope. This has. And it's right on it. I can see it breaking right through that, but whatever. Mm-hmm. By the way, this is not tedious to me. I kind of like doing this. Always did. My whole life. I can't redraw on that one. This one I can. So let's get something going on here. That's definitely an area. Even if you can't see it here, you'll see it there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And like mentioned earlier, super strong reactions. Like a motherfucker like that. Yeah, I'll SR that any day. Is this working with ATL? No. Wrong button again. It's because I disconnected the keyboard and I'm using the nice. And I'm using the keyboard on the laptop now. I usually have a separate keyboard. But I'm getting rid of all the gaming shit, bro. Fuck that gaming, man. This one I don't draw on. Gold I do draw on. But gold is different. I need to wait to draw on gold. I usually wait for gold to range a little bit and then like I did here, if anyone remembers that trade, I go for the all-time highs. Because it moves more like a stock. It's fine. This one I don't draw on either. It moves more like a stock than a currency pair, really. Which is why a lot of traders will stay away from it and have a very low win rate on it, but not me. I really love trading gold. Had great success with it through so many years now. It might be because I used to only trade commodities for such a long time. Silver, crude, gold. And also back when I was a regular stock trader. I mean, I mostly traded This is a long ass time ago now. It's like we're almost in 2026. So like almost 9 years ago, I was a blue chip trader, but I did delve into smaller stocks, gold miners, that kind of thing. RGLD, I remember that was a huge one. That one exploded a long time ago. I don't know what it looks like now. Oh, it still is. But I was in this period, yeah, 2017. Like I said, it fucking exploded, bro. It was one of the few miners with a dividend as well. PE ratio's not bad. Div yield, yeah, there we go. Royal gold, okay. And bitch ass, give me my fucking 200 MA. Whatever, I'll fix it off camera. Fucking annoying as shit. Also, I need the script so it goes away when I'm not on the one day. I'd really appreciate if someone can get that fixed. I'd love that. Someone can code that. I actually think I have a guy. Fuck. This guy's well. This guy has some good games. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of messages. Anyways, that's it for now. I think. Oh no, I'm not gonna forget you. Sorry. If you watched all the way through. If you didn't, you'll miss it anyways. But yeah, I got a question. So, someone asked me what my favorite pair is. I'm not gonna. Usually, I say where the question is coming out of, but if it doesn't matter for the question, then I don't. Sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose first. My favorite pair is none. I mean, the most comfortable one, obviously, to trade. Like, I'm on raw spread, so like. Euro USD, zero fucking spread, nothing, just chilling, have a good rebate. They pay me to trade it, no spread, no slippage, so nice, liquid as fuck. But I don't focus on getting good at one pair. I try to have as many as possible, and then all I do is look for setups in those and enter those setups like you've seen throughout my videos. That's all I do. If you go through my videos, you'll see it's different pairs all the time that I'm trading. I'd recommend looking through all these videos, or not the old ones, because I had a fucking dog shit mic. I got that fixed like here. I don't remember when it got fixed, but it was so fucking bad, bro. That shit was garbage. So I went and bought a mic. I was using a headset mic, but it was so shit. Like, what the fuck? Anyways, that's my answer for you, bro. Don't just have one pair. Like, what the fuck are you gonna do? Do one trade every month? I mean, you can do that, but sounds ineffective as fuck. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll link my Discord. If you got any questions, hop in. Ask some questions, talk some shit, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.